Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download ProtonMail application on an Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Play Store to begin and in the search box type in ProtonMail and perform your search. So after you find this application that says ProtonMail from Proton AG, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Now wait until the application gets downloaded, which is an easy and a quick process which will only take a few minutes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the application has been installed. ProtonMail is a private email service that uses open source, independently audited end-to-end encryption and zero-access encryption to ensure your communications. Once you download the application and after it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch open ProtonMail application and log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one and get started. That was how you can easily download ProtonMail application right on an Android device. How to sign up for ProtonMail account. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in proton.me and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Proton, which looks like this. Proton is a new email domain launched by Proton AG. It provides easy-to-use encrypted email, calendar, file storage, and VPN build. From the official webpage, click on the Create a Free Account button in order to sign up for a new account. Go ahead and pick the plan for yourself or business by selecting one of the options right here and select a plan that is suitable for you. You can go ahead and use the free version of Proton by clicking on this Get Proton for Free button and get started with the standard version. If you'd like to subscribe to Mail Plus with premium features available on your account, you can click the Get Mail Plus button. To get unlimited access for Proton, click on the third option and follow through the instructions. If you want to go ahead and get started for free, then click the first one and then on the next page, select a username for yourself, write it down in the first text box and on the next field, type in a password for yourself, which is at least 8 characters long. Repeat the password in the last text box again and click on Create Account. You'll need to go through the verification process. Click on I'm a human over here and select your display name. If you want to make any changes to your display name, write it down right here and click Next. Now, if you ever need to reset your account, you'll need a recovery phone number or email address. Select whether you'd like to add a recovery phone number by choosing the first option. Select your country from the drop-down and enter a valid phone number. If you want to use the email address for recovery, you can go ahead and click on this second option only. Now enter a recovery email address which is available to you and click on Save Selected. You'll be able to see this kind of a pop-up. Go through the tour by clicking on the Next button and select a theme for your account. Click Next, and once you've completed, you'll be able to see that you've successfully created a new account and you're in the main inbox page for ProtonMail. How to log in to ProtonMail account. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in proton.me and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Proton, which looks like this. To log into an existing account, click the Sign In button at the top right hand corner, which will take you to the Sign In area. Start off by typing in your email or username associated with your Proton account in the first text box. You can type in any one between email or username. On the next field, type in your correct password that you created while signing up for Proton. Make sure to type it in correct, and you can choose if you'd like to stay signed in by clicking on this little box beneath. If you're using a public device, make sure to leave it unchecked for your security while signing in. If you don't remember your password or your username, you can click on the Trouble Signing In link at the bottom and follow through the instructions to get help finding your credentials. Finally, click on the Sign In button and you'll be able to log into your ProtonMail account. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful. How to change your password for ProtonMail account. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in proton.me proton.me and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Proton. Log into your account like you normally do by entering your credentials, and once you end up in the main home page of ProtonMail, click on the gear icon at the top of the screen and click on Go to Settings. Now, this will open up your Accounts tab. Click on the Account and Password button on the left-hand side of the screen and then click on the Change Password button right next to the Password option. Enter your current password in the text box and then click on Authenticate. Now, you'll get to enter the new password you'd like to change to in the text box, and on the next field, confirm the password you are trying to change to by retyping it again. Finally, click the Save button so that you can change your password. That is how you can easily change your ProtonMail account's password, how to reset your password for ProtonMail account. If you are trying to log into your Proton.me account but you are not being able to do so since you've forgotten your password, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your ProtonMail account, you'll need your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Trouble Signing In link at the bottom and click on Reset Password option. Enter the email address or your username associated with your Proton.mail account and click on the Next button. You now need to verify yourself as a human, so check on this little box. Now, you need to enter the 2-word recovery phrases associated with your account in the text box. If you don't have your recovery phrases, you can go and click the Email tab and enter the recovery email address in the text box and then click on Send Code. Now you'll need to enter the code that was sent to your recovery email address inbox, so go ahead and open it up first and open up your Proton email that you received. You'll be able to receive a password reset link from Proton. Go ahead and open it up and copy the reset code and paste it into the code text box and click on Reset Password. If you choose to continue resetting your password, you'll lose access to all current encrypted data in your Proton account. In order to restore it, you'll need your old password. Doing this will also disable any two-factor authentication method that is associated with your account. If you are sure you'd like to continue, click on Reset Password and type in the new password you'd like to reset to in the text box. Confirm the password in the next field again by retyping it and finally click on Confirm. Now, after a few minutes, you'll be able to reset your password to something else. You can now enter the new password whenever you're trying to log into your account and you'll be able to access your account right away. How to log out of your ProtonMail account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in proton.me and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official web page. Here I have my ProtonMail account opened up. If you'd like to log out or sign out of your account, then it is quite simple. Simply go ahead and click on your profile initial at the top right and you'll be able to see a sign out button popping up. Make sure that you remember your account's credential before signing out. Once you click sign out, you'll be redirected to the main login page for ProtonMail. To log in back again, you'll need your email address or your username followed by your password and click sign in. Doing so will log you back to your account, but make sure that you enter your credentials correct. That is how you can easily sign out or log out of your ProtonMail account if you are done using the platform for the day. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.